I've worked with Stephen probably a little over 7 years. Firsthand, hand on hand, call, email, text, whatever I needed to do. 7 years strong. He's very hands-on. If I ask for something, it's immediate. I don't have to wait 2 or 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I mean, he is very prompt with anything that he is working on for us or with us. Any ideas, I go to him, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? And he's very hands-on. Well, let's look at it this way. He gives me the plus, the negative, all of it.
One day I woke up and heard some trucks in the backyard, went out back and realized that they were digging too close to our property and knew immediately that we were about to have a big problem. We had enormous trees back there. I mean, just some of the biggest trees outside of the redwoods that I'd ever seen were now severely damaged. And I really didn't know who to call or what to do. So I called some friends, and a friend of mine referred me to Stephen Lefkoff. He really took some of the fear that I initially had away and allowed me to get back to my day-to-day and not worry about a lawsuit that sometimes can be crippling. And I would tell you, was initially. But we were fighting with a developer, and after we came to our resolution, we had another issue because they did not hold up to their behalf. And so again, all of that fear and concern of what was going to happen came back, and all I had to do was pick up the phone, and Stephen was there to listen and help ensure me that everything was going to be okay. As he promised, it really all happened and played out, and he was there the whole time, making sure that my family was going to be okay, and making sure that I stayed calm throughout the whole situation.
I would say Stephen's number one quality is he's very, very down to earth. He's easy to talk to. You'll get a laugh out of him. He works around your schedule. He's just such a great guy. He's funny. He's personable. He's not stuffy like some of the attorneys that you see. He's just a joy to be around. He's so trustworthy. Like, I never once thought that he was not after my best interest, and I never once didn't trust him. I knew that he would get us the outcome we needed.
I've known Stephen for a long time, and in all the time I've known him, he's always been honest, hardworking, and personable. I've referred him business in the past, and the clients I've referred to him have always come back and said how great a job he did for them. I've even sat in with him on consultations, and the clients that we would jointly represent on a business litigation side and a personal injury side, I would listen to how Stephen dealt with the clients, and it always impressed me that he had such a good relationship with the clients, and the advice he gave was just as good as the relationship he had with them. So it is without hesitation I can sit here and endorse him for the type of lawyer I think he is.
So I have a broad civil litigation practice, and what that means is I help individuals and businesses resolve their disputes, whether that's from as simple as a demand letter or response to a letter to full-blown superior court or federal court litigation. I really love clients that want information, that seek out information, that come to me because they've read about their case, about how to handle their case, because I can assist them, right? It builds that relationship when I can help bring them to the finish line that they already know exists. They just need that push to get there. It's empowering those clients that really drives me. This is not the kind of law firm where we only take one type of case, right? You have to have X in order for us to take your case. You have to be in a 20-story marble floor tower for us to take your case. Or you have to be the neighbor next door for us to take your case. That's not how we operate at this law firm. Our clients run the gamut, the cases run the gamut, and because of that, we're really able to develop relationships with a whole host of different members of our community, which is, again, that's what it's all about.